Number one thing is I am not a doctor. I'm just sharing my own personal habits here. So please, if you take any of these supplements, consult your doctor. I am no one. I am just sharing my personal opinion and the procedure that I follow in my day-to-day life. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Nirja. If you know me, then you know that I am someone who loves to work out consistently in the gym. But I would say since I shifted to my new place due to two reasons that I will not tell you right now, I could not go to the gym in last 2 months and I miss it very, very much. My membership is going to waste. But the thing is, ki, how am I trying to stay fit or active even when I'm staying at home? In today's video, I am going to discuss about something else apart from lifting weights that is kind of keeping me sane these days. I got a full body test back in March 2026. In March, I came to realize that my body has a deficiency of vitamin D3, vitamin B12, and like these were the two main things. And my sugar level was also very high. So to cure or curb this thing or to work on my internal profile rather than the outer one, I am going to discuss about all the supplements that I take or I have recently started taking to keep myself healthy and fit. These are all the supplements that I have been taking religiously for almost a week now. I have actually faced, or I can say, I've actually noticed a few changes in myself, like good changes in myself. For example, I'm sleeping better now. My body ache that I used to have, especially in this area, it is a little bit gone. Now I do not focus too much on that part and it does not bother me quite a lot. Earlier, what used to happen with me, like if I'm sitting for longer hours and training people for longer hours, so my body, like the back part, it used to bother me quite a lot. It used to hurt a lot. But after taking these supplements, I am somehow feeling relieved. I don't know if it is just placebo effect or something, or these vitamins or supplements are actually working or not. But yeah, there is something that has happened. I will request everyone out there to actually take these supplements, which are very, very important for your health. So I'm going to start with the morning part. In the morning, after breakfast, I take vitamin B12. Now, a lot of you who may be watching this video, you may already know that you need vitamin B12, but I don't know, for any reasons you might not be taking vitamin B12, so start taking it. Now, vitamin B12 helps you to in your mood, like a lot of mood swings that we keep on experiencing. I'm a woman, so my period fluctuations or hormonal fluctuations definitely impact me a lot. But if you are a male, then it might happen with you as well. If you are being too moody or very much stressed, vitamin B12 is going to help you out with this. So this is Tata 1 mg vitamin B12 that I am currently taking. It's been a week, I guess. I am not experiencing a lot of mood swings this time before my period, but yeah, this is helpful. This is vitamin B12. This is the first supplement of the day, and after I am done with my breakfast, I take vitamin B12. After lunch, I would say, or during the lunch when I'm having my meal, I can take two supplements in between. Number one is omega 3. This is omega 3 fish oil. Okay, so me being a vegetarian, I actually should not have, or like I could not eat the real fish, of course, because I don't eat meat, but I have to take it in another form because I care for my health. So I'm taking these capsules from Tata 1 mg again. So this is omega 3, and along with omega 3, I pair it up with vitamin D3. This was also a huge problem for me because my vitamin D3 levels were very low. So I needed to work on that. So this is vitamin D3 plus K2. The thing is that K2 helps to absorb this vitamin D3. That's why it is suggested to take these two things together. So please consult your doctor before you take any of these supplements, because I got my full body checkup done and only after that I am taking these supplements after consulting the dietitian. Okay, after vitamin D3 is done, now I'm left with my after dinner supplements or vitamins. After dinner, I take two supplements. This is ashwagandha. It works good for me. This is Himalayan brand. And another one is magnesium glycinate. So both of these work best for me. I take these two together after dinner. And this has relatively helped me to ease my earlier I used to face problems in sleeping on time. Like it will be almost 1 and 2 in the morning and I just could not sleep properly. When I started taking these two supplements like magnesium glycinate and ashwagandha, so it has relatively helped me a lot to sleep properly. And also it makes a lot of people dizzy, so it is advised that you take it half an hour or 15 minutes before you go to sleep. This is up to you how you're gonna take these supplements. But this is it, what I'm doing to maintain my health when I'm not lifting. So it's been 2 months of not lifting, and I can see there are no biceps anymore, but I will work on that part later on. Right now, I'm fixing a lot of internal things, be it mentally, spiritually, emotionally, and physically. So I'm just fixing a lot of things inside of me right now. I'm in the process. This is it. This is my journey of following these two. So earlier, when I made a video on skincare, then only the part was, or I can say the intention behind making that video was to just let you know that when you feel confident from inside, like when you see yourself in the mirror and you feel beautiful, of course your confidence is going to go through the roof. Okay, so it is needed. And same goes ki agar your health is good, if your health feels nice, your mood feels light, you are stress free relatively, and it is not happening due to deficiency of any vitamins, then of course you should take care of that part, right? So I'm just trying to take care of myself in these terms, and these are the supplements that I have started taking. By the way, can you see difference on my skin from the last video? मैंने 2 ही दिन पहले upload की थी, and I am actually very very happy with the results because I didn't had a lot of problem on my skin, but there was shine problem and I have got my shine back. I have got my spark back. So that's it for today's video, everyone. I'll see you in next video. Let me know in the comment section what type of content would you like to watch on my videos or on my channel, because I'm a little bit confused ki should I go for lifestyle videos or should I go for like normal self-help content that I used to create. So I'm just experimenting with my YouTube. Okay, bye bye. I'll see you in the next video.